Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a auto subscribe link to your YouTube channel just like this, and then you can make people subscribe. Because if you use a normal link, maybe share it to your friends or something, they need to click subscribe. It takes way longer and can increase your conversion rate. So all you need to do is go to Google Chrome, your channel, and then click on your profile icon, click on YouTube Studio. Then once you're in, you need to scroll down till you see the customization page, and then click on basic info, and here it will show your channel URL. You can copy it, then paste it in your WordPad, let's see, and all you need to do to make it auto sub is type in $sub_confirmation equals 1. I will put it in the comments so you can just copy it and then add a slash just like this, and once you paste it here, it will ask people to subscribe just like this. And yeah, so I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.